guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepyhead. I'm Serena. Welcome back to my channel. As you've read by the title, today I'm going to react to some horrible pictures. Sorry, it's not horrible. I feel that I should have made better decisions in life. The people I'm working with or the people I'm associated with for my channel have sent me a couple of pictures to react to and to give the backstories to those pictures and what I was thinking while I was taking those stupid pictures. So as you've read by the title, I'm going to react to some of my old Instagram photos. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. This was the first video of mine where I used my video clip or introduction video. This is the first time I used it on my channel, and of course I had used it in the previous video, but I wanted to give you a surprise, so now I have used it in my video. Okay, so without any further ado, as I said, let's get into the video and let's get into the conclusion of my embarrassing photos that I'm going to put up, and I'm going to tell you what was I thinking when I was taking those pictures and when I uploaded those pictures on my gram, on Instagram, if some of you don't know what gram means. Okay, sorry. Next up. Okay, so the first photo that I'm going to put up on the screen here, as you can see, thank you Sneha for sending me these pictures and telling me to react to these pictures and asking me to give the backstory to these pictures. Okay, this is the first picture. Well, I uploaded this picture on January 2019 on the Instagram handle that I own, and everyone on the gram, on TikTok, there was an app called TikTok in India. Now it's obviously not there, sadly, for most of us that were TikTokers or that we used to use TikTok. Okay, so this is the first picture. Everyone on the social media platform was putting up a 10 years challenge, and so your girl here thought that, okay, even I can do that. So as you can see, this photo, this baby photo, and this current photo, I collaged it, and that was my 10 years difference. Okay, I feel like crying literally, is because what was I thinking? So the current photo, the big girl photo, is pretty good, but the baby photo, most of you might find it really weird, but thank you, I am still. So that was the backstory to it. Everyone was putting up a hashtag 10 years challenge, so I felt, okay, I can also do it, so I did it. Thank you very much. Okay, the next photo is on the screen here. Now I have to stop saying okay a lot more. The next photo up here, this is a mirror selfie. What was I thinking? Okay, again, okay. You can see that my caption says mirror dirty. Okay, oh my god. What was I thinking? For God's sake, what was I thinking? The mirror has the Dora the Explorer sticker. At the same time, the mirror is pretty dirty. So that's why my caption says mirror dirty. But it doesn't mean anything whatsoever. It means that the mirror was dirty. While I took this picture, I was like, oh, okay, pretty cool. I had straightened my hair and stuff. So I was like, oh my god, I'm looking pretty. So I kind of did that pose. And I uploaded this picture on January 2018. I wish I can go back to my old self and tell myself that, Serena, you can take better decisions in life instead of writing captions like mirror dirty. The picture is pretty good. I find it's okay, but the Dora the Explorer sticker should have not been there. The mirror should have been a little bit more cleaner, and then I could have taken the picture. But okay, unfortunately I did take the picture and I uploaded on my gram. So I was 2 years back like this. I'm sorry, but yeah, I was like this. And the picture got 18 likes also, like 16 likes, sorry, 16 likes also. So it's a pretty decent like count that I got on this picture. I shouldn't have got because of the caption. I'm sorry, the caption was pathetic. Mirror dirty. Who even puts that up? Okay. Next up, this picture. I felt I was looking pretty cute because I straightened my hair for the first time in my life. The previous picture I had straightened my hair just like that. It was in 2018, but in this picture I straightened my hair for the first time in my life entirely in 2016, and I posted this picture in December. The backstory to this picture is really special, is because we do celebrate Christmas, and not getting into much details, but we do celebrate Christmas, and at home we had a bonfire celebration. So usually on Christmas and New Year's we do have bonfire, and we grill grill kebabs, and we kind of eat cakes. Not kind of, we do eat cakes. We dance, we sing. So it's a pretty much a celebration that we do, and it's very special to me because because it's winter, and B, it gets serious cold. Like in places like Bombay, they do have winters, but it's not that cold. But here it is too cold. It's like too much. It's so cold, and that bonfire makes it a lot more special. And also with your family, spending time with your family is one of the biggest achievements during that period of time. Now of course we're all growing up, so we have our own life and our own studies to do. Of course it comes with age and time. Okay, so this picture got 13 likes, which I thought, okay, should have got a lot more. So I got dressed nicely. I put on well, this picture is a black and white picture, but I put on orange lipstick, which in the past I used to use a lot orange lipstick. Now though I have stopped using any sort of makeup, I just put on a earring, put my hair up, and dress a little okay, like better than before. But yeah, I wish I could go back to my past and ask myself to make proper decisions in taking pictures. And also I've had many fashion faux pas in the past. I wish I could have recovered that, but you know, we were all young, so it doesn't matter. So this top that I was wearing was a blue color top. It had flowers on it, flower prints. So this the headgear that you can see is actually sticker, which I used to use a lot, like a lot. The phone that I took this picture from, the phone that I took this picture on, I had this app. I don't even remember this app name actually. I can't remember at the current moment, but I used to have this app where I used to take these sticker pictures a lot more. And so because I was wearing a very floral top, I thought that okay, I should use something floral on my head as well and make it look a little cuter. And I feel this picture is cute. I was fatter, but hashtag fatter. Okay, I was fatter, but yeah, I found this picture a lot more cute. I took this picture on the day of the bonfire night, and I posted on Instagram. It was in 2016 December. It's a pretty picture. I like it. It's cute. So this is the backstory to it, Sneha. I hope you've understood. And to many of those people who thought that what is the backstory to this picture? Okay. Next up. Oh God, just let me take a minute and say sorry to the Instagram for insulting the gram so badly by putting this picture. I don't know what I was thinking. This picture was posted on December 2016, at the same year when I posted the previous picture, the previous good picture. Now this picture, this is something that I call a fashion picture faux pas. What was I thinking? if you see my hair and you see the balloon on my face with the smiley on the balloon, at that time I thought, oh, this is a good kind of fashion, oh, this is a good kind of picture that I can take. I was very small 4 years back. But now I feel, okay, maybe I could have done better. Well, the caption says, Merry Christmas to all here on Instagram. Hashtag Christmas, hashtag happiness, hashtag love. What love? What happiness? Well, I was happy. The backstory to this picture is that day I had gone to Calcutta, capital of West Bengal. I went to Calcutta because the place I live in is, I'm not insulting my hometown, but the place I live in, we do not get those Christmas decoration products that we get from Calcutta. And in Calcutta you get it in amazing price and amazing quality. I'm not insulting the place I live in. We get good quality Christmas decorations here also, the place I live in, but at the same time Calcutta gives very affordable things and very amazing things. So most of the Christmases, is that even a word? Most of the Christmases? Okay. Most every year in December, we go to on December. Okay. We go to Calcutta to buy these Christmas products, and so we bought these couple of balloons, tinsels, baby Christmas trees, and amazing gift items. So I was, blowing the balloon that night, and I had a bath, I ate good dinner. So that day for dinner, I remember I had eaten chicken biryani, and for those who are vegetarians, I'm sorry, but I had eaten chicken biryani, and what was the other thing that I ate? Just chicken biryani, I guess. Yeah, just chicken biryani. So I was really happy. Oh my god! And I have forever been a foodie till today, but I've reduced that quantity and that quality of eating. So that I was really happy, and it was the first time I was growing my hair, because I've always kept my hair very short. In my previous videos also you've seen I've kept my hair short, but this time I tried to just tie it up as a bun and make it a messy kind of a style, because this is in trend, hashtag trend. So I was feeling happy, and I tied my hair for the first time. No, not for the first time. I was growing my hair for the first time. So I said, okay, let me tie it. And I blew the balloon. So I was like, okay. And I had my phone with me. I was like, let's take the picture. So that is what I did. And I made the biggest faux pas in my life. And uploaded, and I said, hashtag Christmas, hashtag happiness, hashtag love. So means nothing absolutely, but because I was very happy, I said I'll take the picture. Some of my pictures, in fact, in my Instagram are there where I've covered my face like this, or like this, or like this. So I don't know what I was doing literally. And then I realized that, okay, Saina, you better start showing your face, because people need to see the real you, not the fake you. So yeah. Okay. Next photo, which is up on the screen, is a really special photo. Again, you've seen. What? Like, ye kaun karta hai? Who does this? But still, I did it. It looked pretty. Many people thought that I was doing a bridal photo shoot. Some of the people thought I was doing a bridal photo shoot when they saw this picture for the first time. Some of the people thought that, okay, something is wrong. But again, some of the people said that, okay, you look pretty in this picture. So I was happy. So this picture reminds people of a white wedding or a Christian style wedding, which in the caption it's written Confirmation Day. For those who don't know, I am a Christian, and in Christianity, in a religion like Christianity, we have couple of things to do. When we come up to a certain age, we need to do a confirmation. That is, you officially become a member of the certain church, or you become an official full Christian. You're born Christian, but we have two very important rituals. One is baptism and one is confirmation. So baptism is becoming close to God, and confirmation is you become completely close to God. It's nothing like we don't actually say you become God's child. We are always God's child. All of us are God's children, but at the same time, these are like certain rituals that you need to fulfill. And so on the confirmation day and on baptism time, we need to wear white. For boys and girls, we need to wear white. And so I wore this white gown with white gloves and white veil and all of that. You have to dress up like pretty much like a bride, or it's not compulsory you need to dress up like a bride, but it's a special day for every girl or boy. Confirmation is a very special day. So I did my makeup very well. So one person came and did my makeup, so I was okay. So it was a pretty makeup, and I wore a good white shoe, like a heel thing that I didn't take. That picture also, if I have, I'll put it up here, but I'm not sure if I have or not. So the caption reads, confirmation day, feeling blessed or whatever. Below that I can't read because it's covered. As you can see, it's covered. So, oh my god, it turned on me. So something's wrong. But yes, it was a confirmation day. And confirmation day for every girl or boy is very special. You feel special, you feel blessed, you feel we are all of us are sinners, but at the same time you feel you kind of get closer to God, and you acknowledge that. So that's why it was so special, and I took that picture. I have taken many other pictures during confirmation on DSLR camera and everything, but those pictures are currently not with me, and that's why I couldn't upload it on the gram. But this was the picture that I took by my own, like the selfie. So that's why I put it up on Instagram, letting people know that it's my confirmation day and I feel special, and it is a special day indeed. So once the confirmation is done, you feed people, people congratulate you because you become a youth in the church, you become a youth member, you become a responsible member, you feel grown up. And also in that year, it was 2019, on that year, in that specific year, I was giving my 10th board, so even it was even more special. So confirmation done, at the very same time I had my board exams. I was in the 10th grade, and my mother also said that she felt that okay, it was a blessing from God, that you kind of have got confirmed, at the same time you're giving your boards. So it is a special day for all of us and for all Christians, most of us. So that's why I took this picture and uploaded on the gram. And yeah, these were a couple of pictures, some bad pictures, some good pictures, some special pictures, some not so special pictures, but this was the picture. One more picture that I actually want to react to is my mother's request, I think. My mother's request. She was checking my Instagram on the day of my birthday, because she wanted to take a screenshot and make it like a phone case for me. So this picture, as I told you, most of the covered pictures like that, I don't understand. She said that, why do you do this? Why? So that is exactly my answer is. The answer to this question is, why do I do this, is the answer. Like the answer is, why do I do this? The answer is, that is what I'm saying. I wish I can go back to my old self and tell myself, why didn't you make better decisions in taking photographs? I made so many mistakes. My Instagram is flooded with mistaken pictures, and I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, I'm looking pretty, I'm looking cute, let's upload it. So that's what I did. And now I feel like I want to remove it, but I don't feel like removing it also, is because there should be bad pictures also on your Instagram, just not good pictures and the fake side. I want people to see my real side also. Social media basically is about showing the real side. You have to show your real side to people if you want people to love you, if you want people to appreciate the way you are. You need to show the real self. You can't be fake all the time. At least I can't be. On my YouTube channel also, I'm not fake. I hope I never turn out to be a fake person. I hope people don't feel that I'm fake. I'm just praying and hoping that people don't feel I'm fake. I'm pretty much real on YouTube. Behind YouTube, I am like this. I am just But yeah, on YouTube I try to dress a little elegantly. I hope I'm okay, I hope I'm dressed a little better today. Yeah, today I've not made a fashion faux pas. Most of the days I do make. So this was the video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to Team Sleepyhead. And guys, there are lots more exciting news coming up that I will tell you very, very soon. But for now, do this for me, like, share and subscribe. It's free. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe to my channel. Come on, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Until we meet, toodles from Team Sleepyhead. Bye.